Hi, just a bit about me. I'm an ACCA-qualified accountant with over a couple of decades of expertise in performance management reporting and financial planning and analysis that's typically short into FP&A. My career journey began as a trainee accountant in practice, progressing into leadership roles such as controller, director, head, and lead of FP&A. Despite my extensive experience, I remain deeply passionate about the hands-on aspect of everything performance reporting, therefore staying ahead of technological advancements to develop, yet still, driver-based fully integrated models. These tools have enabled me to deliver streamlined, insightful, and user-friendly performance management reports that drive decision-making and sustainable business growth. I've been very privileged to have worked across a diverse range of industries, including information technology, telecommunication, professional services, finance, manufacturing, software, fintech, and digital enterprises. My career highlights include, not limited to, but just some of the following: scaling ventures, capital-backed startups, navigating growth phases and securing funding, transforming SME private equity initiatives into positive free cash flow, and helping them to improve their return on invested capital performance. And these are further included leading FP&A functions at multinational public limited companies, delivering finance clarity and operational efficiency. My experience and industry exposure have culminated in establishing my FP&A consultancy venture, where from I do offer tailored solutions to businesses. And these include driver-based FP&A methodology, whereby there will be the creation of bottom-up fully integrated dynamic financial models. Along with this, there will be the standard business partner, where I'll be providing actionable insights rooted in deep understanding of the core business activities and the data drivers. And in parallel, by combining commercial exposure inside of business knowledge, lead the FP&A by advanced financial modeling skills that have continuously and consistently helped me to deliver comprehensive, actionable management reporting packages. These are some of the tools that form the backbone of what is a robust and simplified financial planning and analysis that goes on to empower organizations to thrive. Now, whether partnering with startup SMEs or large multinational companies, my approach ensures the seamless alignment of financial strategy with business objectives, perfectly tailored to meet the demands of any organization or any advertised role. Hopefully, you and your company may have your arms around all aspects of your FP&A processes, including the tools and resources. Be that the case, then good on you, more power to you. However, should you feel that your company's FP&A may benefit from the added support of somebody with the extensive experience and maybe you just want some help with regards to your financial modeling, then by all means you can do both of us a favor to use the contact details below to reach out so that we can share that exploratory conversation and pave the way for what could be a beneficial and mutual engagements. These are services that can be delivered on a daily rate, fixed-term contract, or a retainer model, just like having your head, director, or VP of FP&A at the desk, but at a lot nearer you, and then you benefiting from the economies of scale and efficiency that comes with my extensive experience. For now, thanks for watching, and until the very next time, happy financial planning and analyzing your companies. Thank you very much.